Guys, today I want to teach you about simple vocabulary. Listen carefully. When a number is aggregate, it's made up of smaller amounts added together. The company totaled its aggregated sales for the entire year. An antibiotic is a medical drug used to kill bacteria and treat infection. The doctor gave me a shot of antibiotic when I got the flu. A circuit is a piece of an electronic device that allows electricity to flow. Be very carefully not shock yourself when fixing an electrical circuit. To compliment something or someone is to make them better. The word scrap complimented how lovely is. To compress something means to press or sequence it so that it takes up less space. I compressed my clothes to fit into a single suitcase. A database is a collocation of data that is stored in a computer. The company has a database of the main on account of their customers. An equivalent is amount or value that is the same as another amount or value. I worked the equivalent of 60 hours this week. When someone is immune, it's to decide they cannot be affected by it. Children usually get taught to make them immune to sterilization. Input in information that is put into a computer. Type the input into the computer program. When its relation is intimate, the two things are very closely connected. I only tell my secret to my most intimate friends. A magnet is a piece of iron or other material which attracts iron toward it. I used a magnet to pick up the nails that were scattered on the floor. A person's metabolism is the way chemical processing in their body use energy. If you exercise every day, your metabolism speeds up. If Microsoft is modified is such a computer that has information, I can put more data on my company if I buy a more powerful microchip. A fuzzer is a step in a process or gradual performance of something. The first fuzzer in the rescaling project inviting volunteers to help out. To pinch means to take a piece of skin between one finger and squeeze. I pinched my nose so I couldn't smell the odor from the carpet. When something is prevalent, it's common. Growing is more prevalent behavior in men than women. When something is quantum, it's related to behavior atomic particles. The big student studied quantum mechanics. A relation between two things is a number or amount. The boy to girl ratio is 1 or 3. Spira is back when round around a larger circle. A strand often looks like two interlocking spirals. When something is viral, its disease of infection is caused by virus. The worst is bad for when they had viral infection.